Yesterday's trade could have been quite tricky for a lot of traders, but let me show you how you could have been able to easily navigate gold yesterday, which is the 9th of September 2025. Quick one here from Auto X Capital, and I hope you're all doing well. Right, as usual, this is not financial advice. I'm simply doing this for training purposes only. So we are using the Spirol Indicator to take trades on a constant basis and get quite a bit off of the market every single day. So for example, if let's say the market is moving down like low, high, low, and then high again, and on its way to make a new low here, it gives you a sell arrow, right? That is the Spirol Indicator give you a sell arrow. It will always come with two white lines like so. So all you have to do is mark this recent high here. So I'm just going to write RC right there. So if the market happens to pull back, break above these two white lines and close above, simply expect to take your buy when price comes back to these two white lines. So if price comes back here, you simply take your buy like I said, and then expect the market to go all the way up, right? So this is the first scenario. So let me just write here scenario one. For the second scenario, what we are expecting to see is, let's say the market is moving down, low, high, low, high, low, and it has already broken this recent high, right? RC, and then it starts to possibly pull back this way, and then you get your spiral arrow like so. It will always come with two white lines. As soon as the market closes above these two white lines here, you can simply take your buy here and expect price to go to the upside. So remember scenario number one, what I said is that the market is going down, low, high, low, high, low, and on its way down, it gives you this spiral arrow right here. As soon as the market breaks above, wait for price to come back to the two white lines. This is where you place your buy and expect some profits. So for the second scenario of the spiral indicator, let's say the market has already broken the recent high, and then it gives you this sell arrow here, this sell spiral arrow here. Only wait for price to close above the two white lines, take your buy, and expect the market to pull up. So let me quickly show you what I'm talking about here and how you could have profited off of yesterday's move on gold. That was the 9th of September 2025. So as you can see here, during the London session, the spiral indicator gave us this arrow here. Let me change the color to black so that it's clearer. So as you can see, the spiral indicator gave us this sell arrow that you're seeing here, right? And what happened? The market came back and closed above this high here that was created. The market instead pulled up all the way to here. So as soon as the market came back to these two white lines here, I knew that I was expecting to buy the market right here and expect price to pull up, right? But it was not yet New York session at the time. It was in New York session at the time. So that's why yesterday in Gold's Outlook that I posted on YouTube, I also posted it on other social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok. I did say I'm expecting to see how price is going to behave right at this 36.48 area. And as you can see, as soon as New York opened, this is exactly where price was hovering, right? And remember again, I said that I was expecting to already take a buy were right at these two white lines here. So I was bullish on gold because gold is still a safe haven, right? So I was expecting to take a buy right at these areas right here, right here. So let me explain again what gave me more confidence that price was going to be bullish on gold, especially the first hour of the New York session, is this second arrow which was printed right at New York session, this one right here. And this is now an example of scenario two. This is an example of scenario one. This is an example of scenario two. So as soon as this arrow was printed here and it was now New York session, I knew that I was most likely going to be bullish as soon as price closed above these two white lines, as I expected, as I explained rather just recently on the whiteboard. So as you can see, as soon as price closed above here, some could have waited for this red candle here just to come and retest the two white lines, but as soon as I saw the close above, I was bullish because there's usually a lot of momentum, right? So as soon as price closed above the two white lines here, right around the 36.54 36.52 area, I was already long. I'm going to place a screenshot to show you where I was able to place my trades from yesterday. So first I took some entries right here when I saw prices creating this green candle. That's a bit more advanced way of using the spiral indicator. I do explain this again on my other YouTube videos. So as soon as price closed above the 36.52 area, I was confident that we were now going to be bullish. So that's why we had this flash here. And again, I did mention this on the forecast video that I was expecting at least price to reach the 36.75 area. And if we did see some momentum, we're going to be looking at the 36.90 to 3700 area, right? So as soon as price closed above, we were able to take profits right around the 36.75, which was the high for the day yesterday on the 9th of September 2025 on gold. So I'm on M5 time frame here. So we were able to get some profit off of that. And in case you wanted to add some positions, which I did as well, you can see that we had this bullish arrow here by the Spirol Indicator, and this just gives you more confirmation that price is bullish. So you could have taken your trades first of all here, and then other trades you could have taken them right at the second arrow here. And that's how you can best navigate difficult moments on the charts using the Spirol Indicator. And as usual, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Do follow us on our social media platforms. We would love to hear from you. And if you're interested in this training tool, do head over to outcapital.com and you can get it from there. That being said, don't forget to watch today's Outlook on Gold, Fundamentals Outlook on Gold. I do produce this material every single day. You can get it. You can get to watch it rather on YouTube and even on these other social media platforms. That being said, happy trading and speak to you again soon. Just bye.